Hi students. So one problem based on vectors. Okay. See, two vectors are given by a bar equal to minus 2i cap, j cap minus 3k cap. B bar equal to 5i cap, 3j cap minus 2k cap. If 3a bar plus 2b bar minus c bar equal to 0, then third vector c bar is, first of all, 3 a bar in the sense minus 2i cap plus j cap minus 3k cap plus 2 b bar 5 I cap plus 3j cap minus 2k cap, okay, minus c bar is equal to 0. C bar taken that side, C bar equal to 3 into minus 2 minus 6i cap, 3 into 1 3j cap minus 9k cap plus 2 5s are 10i cap, 2 3s are 6j cap, 4k cap. Okay, C bar is equal to, you are adding I cap only, minus 6i cap plus 10i cap. What did one? Plus 4i cap, 3j cap plus 6j cap plus 9j cap minus 9 minus 4 k cap, okay, minus 13 k cap, minus 13 k cap, minus 6 plus 10 4 3 plus 6 9 minus 9 minus 4 13 k cap. It is the addition. What about its magnitude? Magnitude mod of c bar equal to square root of, in bracket, 4 whole square plus 9 whole square plus, don't take in minus here, okay, minus taken only in a bracket, minus 13 whole square. Now 16 plus 9 plus 169, okay, 169 16 and 9, okay, 9 plus 6 15, 15 plus 9 24, okay, 1 plus 6 1 plus 6 7 plus 2 9 194, okay. So 169 25, this one is 4, okay, 194, square root of 194 units. Understood? Its magnitude, only vector is this one, okay, magnitude is root of 194. Understood? Okay, see here, multiplication of vectors by real numbers. Okay, for example, it is one of the vector a bar, okay, it is multiplied with, it's multiplied with a positive constant, okay, it is multiplied with positive constant. That means a, here vector a multiplied with 2 means 2a bar, its magnitude is changed but direction is same. Magnitude is changed but direction is same. Understood? Okay, now for example, this vector multiplied with negative number, okay, negative number, that means, okay, another vector, we consider another vector, this is p bar multiplied with minus 3p bar, that means its direction changes, at the same time magnitude is also changes direction. See this one, minus 3p bar, direction is changes. Understood? Okay, due to negative. Understood? Okay, for example, see here scalar multiplied with vector, it is equal to vector. See here, a bar vector, 2 is scalar, 2a bar vector quantity. Understood? Like time multiplied with velocity, time is multiplied with velocity is equal to displacement, is equal to displacement. See, time is a scalar, velocity is a vector, resultant is also a vector quantity, resultant is also a vector quantity. Understood? Okay, So next most important one is representation of angle between vectors. The angle between two vectors is represented by the smaller of the two angles between the vectors when they are placed tail to tail. Okay, tail to tail. That means like, okay, it is A bar, this is B bar, tail to tail, or head to head. Okay, head to head. Okay, so this is the angle between the vectors, or this one is the angle between the vectors. Okay, now see some examples. Here, A bar and B bar, this is the angle between the vectors. For example, it is A bar. Okay, this one is B bar. What is the angle between the vectors? See here, it is tail. This one is the head. Okay, but according to the definition, tail to tail or head to head. In these cases, first of all, draw the parallel vector of this one here. That means extended this one. Okay, this one is also parallel vector of this one or equal vector, extended one. This is the angle between the vectors. This is the angle between vectors. Or draw the parallel vector of B here. Draw the parallel vector of B here. This is the angle between the vectors. Okay, B bar. Okay, tail to tail. Okay, tail to tail only you consider. Don't take in this one is the angle of vectors. Okay, don't take in this one. Next, here A bar. Okay, B bar. Angle is theta. Now B bar is multiplied with some constant. Okay, some constant. See, A bar positive constant multiplied with K B bar. That means multiplied with one constant. That constant is K. K into B bar. Its magnitude is increases. But no change in its angle. No change in its angle. If in case multiplied with negative constant, okay, multiplied with negative. Okay, multiplied with negative. Say it is A bar, this one is B bar, this is the angle theta multiplied with minus K. B bar as usual multiplied with negative number means minus KB bar. Here direction is changed. This angle is theta. Angle between A bar and minus KB bar is 180 minus theta. Angle between A bar and minus KB bar is 180 minus theta. A bar and B bar is theta. Okay. A bar and B bar is theta. A bar and minus KB bar is 180 minus theta. Understood? Okay. Now, here A bar, B bar, both are in same line, same direction. What about angle here? 0 degrees. Both are in a same line, same direction. Okay. Angle theta equal to 0 degrees. Here A bar, this is B bar. See, opposite in direction means angle is equal to 180 degrees. Angle is equal to here 180 degrees. Next, it is A bar. This one is B bar. What is the angle between them here? Angle is equal to here 90 degrees. Angle is equal to 90 degrees. Understood? Okay. See one problem. Three vectors A bar, B bar and C bar are shown in the figure. Find the angle between A bar and B bar and C bar and A bar and C bar. See, with x-axis A bar makes 30 degrees. With x-axis B bar makes 30 degrees. So first of all taken both. It is x-axis. This is A bar. Angle is 30 degrees. This is B bar. This angle is 30 degrees. See, angle between A bar and B bar is 30 plus 30, 60. Okay, here angle between A bar and B bar is 60 degrees. A bar and B bar is 60 degrees. Next, B bar and C bar. B bar, it is x-axis. This one is B bar, 30 degrees. This one is C bar with x-axis 45 degrees. Okay. What is the required quantity in between B bar and C bar? That means it is the required quantity. This is 45. This is 30. Required one is this one. So 45 degrees minus 30 degrees is equal to 15 degrees. Okay. Angle between B bar and C bar is 15 degrees. Okay. Next, angle between A bar and C bar. See, it is x-axis. This is A bar. It makes an angle 30 degrees with x-axis. This one is C bar. This angle is 45 degrees. Angle between A bar and C bar. Total angle 30 plus 45. 30 degrees plus 45 degrees is equal to 75 degrees. So, angle between A bar and C bar is 75 degrees. Angle between A bar and C bar is 75 degrees. A bar and B bar 60. B bar and C bar 15. A bar and C bar 75 degrees. Understood? Okay. See another problem. A man walks east with a certain velocity. A car is traveling along a road which is 30 degrees west of north. Okay, west of north. That means it makes an angle 30 degrees with north. Okay, in west north. While a bus is traveling in another road which is 60 degrees south of west. South of west. Find the angle between velocity vector of man and car, okay, car and bus and man. Before going to this topic problem, see, it is in north, south, east, west, one vector, A bar, okay, theta. This meaning is A bar vector, okay, A bar vector makes an angle theta with east or simply A bar theta north of east. North of east. Understood? Okay. If exactly, for example, another vector, this is B bar, okay, it is theta 1. That means B bar makes an angle theta in a north of west. North of west. Okay. Now, north, south, east, west. Okay. Exactly in middle. In middle in the sense 45 degrees. Okay. Simply A bar in northeast. Northeast in the sense exactly in middle. That angle is 45 degrees. Okay. Here A bar theta north of east means A bar vector makes an angle theta with east. Okay. B bar north of west means B bar vector makes an angle theta 1 with west. Understood? That's the meaning. Okay. First of all, by using given data, draw the diagram. Okay. First, north, south, east, west. Say, a man walks east with sudden velocity. Here, man moving in this direction. V sub xl. Okay. Next, along a road, car. Next one is car. Car is traveling along a road which is 30 degrees west of north. This one. Velocity of car 30 degrees west of north means it makes an angle 30 degrees with north. It makes an angle 30 degrees with north. Next one. Okay. While a bus is traveling in another road which is 60 degrees south of west. Okay. South of west. This one. Velocity of bus south of west means this angle is 60 degrees. Are understood? Are understood or not? Okay. See, south of west means in southwest it makes an angle 60 degrees with west. Okay. Now angle between man and car. Man and car. See this one. Man and car. Here first one. Angle between man and car. Okay. Man. This one. This one is car. It is 90. This angle is 30 degrees. So 90 plus 30. 90 degrees plus 30 degrees is equal to 120 degrees. Man and car. What is the angle here? 120 degrees. Understood? Okay. Angle is 120 degrees. Here for first one. Angle is 120 degrees. Okay. Next. Car and bus. Car and bus. This is the angle. Okay. Now. See. It is north. This one is south. This is car velocity. This angle is 30 degrees. This is bus. This angle is 60 degrees. Okay. Total angle between northwest. Northwest means totally 90. In 90, this is 30. What about remaining one here? 60 degrees. Okay. So car and also bus. In between car and bus, 60 plus 60, 120. Okay, 60 plus 60 is equal to how much? 120 degrees. This one is also 120 degrees. Next one, bus and man. Bus and man. Okay, bus and man. See, man. This one is bus. This angle is 60 degrees. Okay. Whatever remaining angle 30. It is 90. Required one is this angle. Required one is this angle. 90 plus 30. 90 degrees plus 30 degrees is equal to 120 degrees. This angle is also here 120 degrees. Understood? This angle is also 120 degrees. Okay.